The poem Mercy, composed by William Shakespeare. In this poem, the poet has tried to explain the importance of mercy. This poem is a sonnet. This poem is 40 lines. Sonnet is a poem of 40 lines which expresses a single thought. This poem has been taken from a famous drama, Merchant of Venice, also written by William Shakespeare. And this drama there is two leading characters. There is two leading characters. First is Antonio, second is Shylock. Antonio is Antonio and Shylock has both contrast. First contrast is that Antonio is Christian and Shylock is Jew, and so both has cost contrast. Second contrast is business contrast. Antonio is the man who gives others money, but does not take any kind of interest to, and Shylock is the man who gives others money and takes high interest. So indirectly, Antonio tries to finish the business of Shylock, so Shylock has a great jealousy for Antonio. So Shylock always tries to get a chance to take revenge. Once condition has compelled a friend of Antonio named Bassanio was going to marry with Portia. Portia was famous for virtue, beauty, and wealth. And Bassanio, who was in love of Portia, has spent his money in pomp and show. And so when he got the right signal for marriage, that time he has become the tight pocket or manager of Bengal Bank. Then he goes to Antonio and requests for 3,000 ducats. Antonio directly tells him that he does not have any kind of ready cash because his trading ships are in the sea. But he advises that he must take 3,000 ducats to Shylock in his credit. And Bassanio goes to Shylock and requests 3,000 ducats in the credit of Antonio. Shylock, very cruel man, who wants to take revenge, and he was in the great requirement of a chance. He at once agrees and says that yeah, I am ready to give you 3,000 ducats in the credit of Antonio, but Antonio will have to sign on a bond, and I will not take any kind of interest because Antonio never takes interest to anybody. And he completes a bond. In this bond, he has written, I, Antonio, have accepted that I have taken 3,000 ducats to Shylock, and if I shall not be able to return his money in time, he will have authority to cut 1 pound flesh near my throat. When and when Bassanio reads this bond, he requests Antonio not to sign in such kind of bond because I can live without Portia because she has not been my wife so far. But I cannot live a friend like Antonio. But Antonio was in more and more overconfidence. He says that he must not worry about it because by that time I will have ninefold money. And so he signs there in the bond. But conditions has compelled, and Antonio's studying ship has not returned. So Shylock enters in the court of Duke of Porth with the written bond and requests that my lord, this man Antonio has cheated me. This man has taken to me 3,000 ducats and he has given me written bond. If he would not be able to return my money in time in such condition, I will have authority to cut 1 pound flesh in his heart. Duke Porth was a very good king. He advises Shylock that you must not do this. But he was more and more sure that he will win the case. After some time, this case is heard by Bassanio, and Bassanio tells this to his wife Portia. Portia at once gives him a lot of money and requests him and advises him to take the life of his friend Antonio. She herself disguised as a advocate and she appears in the court of the fourth. She requests Shylock that he must take threefold money and he must show mercy on Antonio because mercy is a spontaneous overflow. Mercy cannot be produced by the force. If you show mercy on Antonio, will become heaven and Antonio will be earth because